So we are getting ready. We arrived at the Princess Cays Island. So me and my family are dressing up so that we can go depart from the cruise to go see the island. So this is the outfit that everybody wearing. Everybody got this type of flower outfit. So I look cute. I'm not talking to you. I'm elevated by myself because Dominique is an asshole and he cannot even be coming. Yep. We're waiting in line to get breakfast. We caught the last line, guys. Dominique said he wants some ham.
Yeah. Your breakfast right here, we made it.
Guys. This mom's.
That's mama.
Here you go, mom.
We supposed to be in, it's floor 5. No, 5 they cook, they dine in. Floor 5 they dine in for breakfast. But y'all, everybody wasn't up.
Yeah. People was tired, but I'm gonna be up this time.
Y'all ain't even get up to get the tickets. Y'all ain't know we had to go to 5 to get the tickets.
What was to get off?
Jeremy, I'm
This is all I've been trying to get to is the breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Dominique.
Sound like me.
It don't mess it up or nothing. Okay, so we're finna head out. How was it, Jazz, when we left?
They get free cups. Yeah, I get multiple cups. You know what
Those weren't ready. We finna swim with the dolphins. Are you gonna swim with the dolphins? That's what she said. No. You gonna swim with the dolphins? Me too. It's gonna be fun. We after that.
We always will go down the
Where he go? Finally leaving now, y'all. Took a billion years, but we here.
It's hot.
Oh, it's hot, y'all.
Why we moving like that?
It's raw though.
We moving.
Okay. That's a good angle.
Oh, we finally moving, guys.
Oh, he bagged up. Okay.
Come on now, Ray. Ray always care about other people's things. You the only one.
Is y'all feet hanging off?
Oh,
You ready? Me too. We've been waiting for long enough. Okay, we getting off now, guys. Hold your water bottle, baby.
I got.
Let's say team.
We at the bar.
Yeah. Grab one. Grab one. You grab the other.
You want one? I want my room. There's the Robins, baby! Answer.
They going farther out.
I told them not to. If they keep on going, then that's on them. Ooh, we made it inside there. Yeah, I got right in with my short set. It don't matter. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's a rock right here. Dominique, move out my camera view. What are you doing? What are you doing? Trey! Look at the birds, guys. Hey, guys. I'm just drying off now. I was in there for a few seconds because I'm done. Y'all, they done buried Desi. Desi, what they do to you? Oh my God. You look like a corpse.
Dizzy like not the neck.
She said I'm supposed to be smiling. I'm hollering. I ain't gonna reach up here. We fine. I'm dead. Dre, you swimming with your dad? You want to get off?
Dizzy chilling.
She said, yeah. You got hand all over you again, girl.
Y'all and Dre to take the kids, but y'all don't even listen. Y'all and Dre not taking nobody's kids. Where you going, Dre? Not with the kids. Why? If I'm not babysitting. You don't have to babysit.
I cleaned up our room and made the bed. It was really nice. Look at this. It's a little cute little elephant. They sat our stuff off to the side. That was fun. This is the best place over here. They just don't know. I think they like just make a whole bunch of burgers and then they just serve them out. And then you get the toppings over there. That. Yes, sir.
No, they're excited.
Got it.
Hold up, let's go. Come on, Dre. Where are you? After the beat.
Oh, he blinked. I seen it.
No, and now you're throwing the ball.
I'm trying to record. All these heads in my way. Huh? So yeah, we coming upstairs.
It's in there.
They don't spend all their money on pictures.
What you got? You don't You tell me that. It's straight. One more time.
What's that? Lemonade? Oh. We in the casino, y'all.
Guess what makes you in my head? Yes, there's no gonna when I'm working, yes, I know I'm gonna be the man that's working on me.
That's the movie. Okay.
In the morning, yes, I go to run to a pass almost every time.
We're trying out the arcade. And it's another elevator, so you can get up here. That's tight. What's closed?
That's why people sitting there. Arcade ass, ain't nothing free.
Nope.
Yeah, but some should be.
You could like test it out at least. Right. I thought we could at least buy arcade cards or something, but we can't.
Oh, this cards aren't as good. How many seen the store yet?
Oh, okay, we on time.
Oh, we finally
I'm a dog nigga. But I'm still a dog nigga. Something wrong with her. Every time I'm recording, trying to do it.
Comedy Club host, who's excited for some late night comedy? Yeah. And you're in for a real treat. This is our
Okay.
Thank you. You make me crazy. You make me crazy. Thank you. Give it up one more time for Brian, y'all. Give it up. Yeah. Hope you had a great day in Princess Cays. I ain't never heard of that shit, but you didn't know you had to catch a boat to get a fucking boat, did you? Next is Nassau. That's only down the street. So we're gonna be sitting out in the water tomorrow. Gonna pull us far enough out where we can't get a fucking signal. Some of y'all still don't know where you at on the boat, huh? I see y'all still over there at the map. Where are we? Where are we? I can't find my cabin. I need to go here. Fuck it, let's go eat.
Getting it all about my...
It won't come off, Sherry. Come to the bathroom.
I'm sorry, bro. I know y'all can see it.
Mama, you already
Exactly.
That's how you do it.
This is not what we supposed to do. Why is she teaching them this? Guys, we're in the dining hall, and this is the fancy place to eat. I'm so excited because this place look really nice. Let me show y'all. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. Sorry, I have. So this is our table. This is the funny table right here. We here. Hold on, put it down. Get my titties all in the view. Let me move it back. Okay, that's perfect, ain't it? Dominique pissing me off where he at. But I got me a fresh little ice water. They gave us these, y'all.
Cheers.
Wow, that is good. Here, Dominique.
Tastes like pickle. Flour.
So I got a Caesar salad, and this is Dominique French onion soup. He's not gonna eat the French onion soup, so I will. It's like a border. Yes. It's like a border of onions. What the heck? Hold on. Oh, this looks pretty. I love mushrooms, so I think I like it.
Oh my god, I want barbecue sauce.
Thank you.
Let me see, Mason.
She said I want barbecue sauce.
Well, you already ate a lot of them. I just want to take a picture of you and your... Baby, it's called fine dining, baby.
This is one of Sarai's stuffed mushrooms.
That's why.
What's the sauce?
You talking about some, this don't taste right. Yeah, you used to Hooters, baby. This is fine dining. It ain't gonna taste. Look, Corey said it tastes like pickles.
I can't take them nowhere, bro.
Pretend like
Get on my glass like that.
Okay, so he's trying to French onion soup.
Let me get that. Why won't you sit back here? I think it might be. I think it might And my friend's India, she said, here go your fries. Oh, yeah.
Okay, boy. Yes, he did. That's what Pip got. And then I got green beans with some type of steak and mashed potatoes. Skirt, skirt.
St. Louis on
rest in peace. And rest in peace to the parking lot. Feeling so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about money, but what you talking about? Ice on my wrist, I get soon as the light hit. You ain't got an ice in.